Larnie, sinong pinaka-idol mong performer na gusto mo pag nakilala kayo ng ganung klase kang performer?
Ano po, may pagka-Leona Lewis na Lea Salonga.
Wow! Well, I love Leona Lewis. Di ba? Ang galing niya, no?
Opo.
And si Lea Salonga, oh my God, you'll have a brother like Gerard. Okay. All right. Yeah, okay. Well, one thing so beautiful about Lea, disiplina yan. I've never met, if ever she reached such great heights, it's not only because hanit ang talent ng batang yan, kundi ang disiplina niya at pagmamahal niya sa pagkanta. Alagang-alaga niya. Okay? It helped a lot that she has a mother who guided her, pero hanip Larnie ang alaga niya sa pagkakanta. I'll give you an example, Yung talagang pag may concert yan, hindi yan magsasalita. Hindi yan magsasalita to preserve her voice. At saka, yung kanyang, for her, music is not a job. It's a love. I remember one of my best experiences with her was when I was directing Bakit Labis Kitang Mahal. I don't know if you remember that movie with Ariel and Aga Mulak years ago. Gerard went to the set, played the piano, before you knew it, the whole shooting stopped. And everybody was listening to them singing. And they were just singing for the sake of singing. So that's why, Larnie, I know you how much you love music. And alam mo, may na-realize ako sa'yo, Larnie. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo sa buhay, music has been your friend.
Opo.
That much I know about the character of this girl. Music has been your friend. So, it has given you a very good payback. It has taken care of you. So, you love it somewhere. I think you're gonna get there. Now, if you only get the fire of Leona Lewis, my God. Di ba? Hanip siya. And she's also the product of a singing contest. Di ba? Si Leona Lewis. Very good. Very good. Ikaw naman, Christina. Aside from wanting to be Mrs. Poon.
Yun na yun. So, yun nga, babaeng, Richard Poon. Tsaka, ano ba? Si Nicole po ng Pussycat Dolls.
Mukha yata magkalayo. Mukha yata mahirap hanapan ng common ground ang babaeng Richard Poon at saka Nicole of the Pussycat Dolls.
Ano na po, sexy na parang pag kumakanta ako, gusto pong nakikita nila yung pagkababae ko. Nalalabas ko po yung mga saloobin.
I have a suggestion to you. Be yourself.
Okay.
Because I think you're gonna get there. I see Larnie, what she's going to be. I see you, what you can be. Okay? See, Larnie will be the popular singer for masa, that the masa will love. You will do the more mature stuff. Okay? You're on your way.
Thank you, sir.
Which is quite a revelation. Nawala yung nag-uuna ito, nagra-rock-rock itong gagang to, hindi ba ganyan-ganyan. Yun pala ang Okay. Okay, Fitos, ikaw.
Siguro 50% ni Jed. Tapos 15% ni Martin.
Okay.
And then 10% ni Gary.
Okay.
So, bale, 75 na yun, no?
Talaga kinocompute.
Tapos, 10% ni John Legend. Tapos, 5 na lang ba na?
85 na?
Hindi, 85 na.
May 15.
Tapos 15% ni Eric Binay.
Ano yun? I know what you mean. Pero alam ko na, sinabi ko na sa'yo kung ano yung kalalabasan mo, di ba? You're going to be a composer, singer. I see you... No, darling. I see you more being a successful composer, singer more than anything else. And I bet you'll have a long career.
Yeah.